This is Dr. Leisure. I'm down here with Stephanie in front of the whale sanctuary headquarters. We've got a monk seal in the background, and the other day Stephanie, I guess it was 2 days ago, Stephanie was out in a canoe and came across this seal, and she's going to tell us what the seal was doing. Take it away, Stephanie.
Well, when we were getting our canoe ready to take out, we saw some thrashing in the water. Didn't know what it was, and then as we launched the canoe out, we were passing sort of near where the seal was, and what it was going on was we saw a turtle kind of out of the water and being pulled on, thrashing, and saw the seal's head come up, grab the turtle, and then as we passed the area after, we saw the one turtle leg being pulled through the water towards the pond wall, and then past the other turtle leg further out. And it looked like there was a rope tied around the leg, but we weren't sure.
But these turtle legs were disconnected from what had been a live thrashing turtle when you first saw it.
Possibly live. Yes.
Okay. Well, this is quite fascinating. I've heard of the monk seal playing with turtles, but having actually eaten one.
It was possible that it was injured or almost dead because of the rope. We think it was a rope. Don't know for sure, but it appeared that it was.
Well, the fact that the leg is disconnected from the turtle says to me, I'm wondering if it's part of the entrails of the turtle, that the guts, if you will, that were pulled out when the leg was disconnected.
It's possible too.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you, Stephanie. And what we have in the background here, and I zoomed in on it, I'll zoom in on it again, is the very seal we're talking about. This is RH44. We know this seal. And she's now about 9 years old. She's born in Kauai, and she's had a couple of pups in the last couple of years. And okay.